How to change username in WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see this three dot icon. Simply tap on this three dot icon and on the bottom, tap on settings. So basically, we're in this settings interface. Here, you can find different options and even customize it. Here on the top, simply tap on the profile picture. So this is the place where you can edit and make different changes in your username. Here, there's a section of your name. Simply tap on it. Now you can easily change it. So you can simply edit it and at last hit on save. So the username will be changed and other friends and people will view it as a new name. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.